Okay, the sun has set behind the trees. You can see unobstructed views of Bankhead Forest. And those will always stay unobstructed. They will never sell that to a private individual. It will always stay Bankhead National Forest, public land. So you'll never have to look at anybody across from here, which is great. Have total privacy. You got the lounge deck down there to go lay on when it's sunny outside. Okay, I'm going to take y'all on a little walk. This is actually the four-wheeler or side-by-side path that my husband meticulously carved out. This was no easy feat. This took us a while for us to do. So anyways, we're gonna go on a walk. I enjoy walking because it's great exercise. So you can totally walk down this road. I have been doing it all summer while we have been finishing up this build, and it keeps me in shape. So you can either walk this trail. It's very peaceful. You can see all these old rocks. It's beautiful. Or you can, like I said, you can use a four-wheeler or side-by-side of your choice. Just whatever you want. But it is totally walkable. He has sloped it so it's gradual. I usually wear my hiking boots, but today I don't have them with me because I just came down here to do some videos for y'all. Love this. And you can see it's winter, so the water is way down. But in the summer, I'll show you, all of this will be full of water. Beautiful turquoise water here on Clear Creek. And you have your own cove, so, you know, you're not going to see anybody over there either. Totally private. Okay. I just love the forest down here. It's so peaceful. You can see these trees that grow into the rocks. Like I said, I have enjoyed this part of the property as we've been building this new construction home. This is literally one of my favorite parts of the property. All these big rock formations. All the shelters. It's just so much to explore. Okay, see, look at that. Beautiful. We added some concrete recently right here so that none of our hard work would wash out of the road. So it is all ready to go for you. And we diverted the water. A little creek right there. I mean, you can sit down here. It's a dream. You can sit down here and journal. If you have kids, you can come down here and hide from them. No, I'm just kidding. Maybe. It's just so peaceful. So yeah, this is literally one of my favorite parts. And I wanted to share it with y'all. So then you go back up this way. I do recommend hiking boots. I should have worn my hiking boots. So my feet aren't getting wet. I'm a pro at this now. So this is your path. All of this part of the property is super private. There's no other lot like this in this neighborhood at all. So So it's, in my opinion, literally the best lot in the neighborhood. And then the road goes back up there, and I have another video from where I walked down earlier. So anyways, I just wanted to share one of the favorite parts of this property with y'all. Bye for now.